everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this beautiful and glowing no makeup look. This look is perfect for those who like really minimal or natural makeup. If you're ready, let's get started. Starting off with my favorite face moisturizer by the brand Josie Maran. I have dry to combination skin, so it's really important for me to use a moisturizer that's really hydrating and that's really going to plump my skin and prepare it for makeup. Next, I'm going in with a face primer. This is the Prep and Prime by MAC Cosmetics. I like this primer because it has a gel-like consistency that's suitable for most skin types, and it's meant to hydrate and refine the skin. I like it because it also adds a really nice luminous glow to the skin, and that's what I'm looking for when I'm going for a really natural but glowy makeup. Since this is a natural makeup look, I decided to skip foundation and go for one of my favorite tinted moisturizers. To keep this look as minimal as possible, I decided to skip out on a foundation brush. I'm going to be using my fingers instead to blend the product into my skin. I find that using your fingers to blend in either your foundation or your tinted moisturizer really creates a more natural finish on the face, whereas using a foundation brush would give a lot more coverage. My goal for this look is not necessarily covering every sort of skin imperfection, but focusing more on making sure that the makeup actually looks like my skin. Next, I'm going in with this illuminator for the face. This is by the company called The Beauty Crop. I actually discovered this product in one of my FabFitFun boxes. So I'm just applying this product to the high points of my face where I would normally highlight the skin. I switched over to a dense foundation brush to really press this highlighter into my skin and help to blend it seamlessly. With highlighting products, you want to make sure that they're thoroughly blended or it can look really unnatural on the skin. I'm going in with this concealer palette by MAC Cosmetics, and I'm going in with one of their neutral peachy shades. I'm doing this just to conceal my under eyes, so I'm not using a shade that exactly matches my foundation because I want it to be slightly lighter so that it brightens the under eyes. I'm also taking some of this concealer to the areas where there's a bit of redness to cancel that out and just make my skin look a lot more even. Next, I'm taking this translucent setting powder and I'm just going to gently apply this to the areas where I want to set the makeup. I'm focusing the product on my T-zone or any areas that would get oily or crease. But as you can see, I'm not using a heavy hand because I don't want the makeup to look too matte. Next, I'm going in with this liquid bronzer by Iconic London, and I'm just going to be using this product to bring back some color into the face and make it look like I have a natural tan. As you can see from this tutorial, I'm not doing any sort of contouring because I want the makeup to look as natural as possible, and I want to give my face the illusion of a sun-kissed glow versus looking like I'm wearing actual makeup. I'm using the same brush here that I was using earlier to blend in the highlighter into my skin. I'm using a patting motion with my brush to really press the product into the skin, similar to what I did with the highlighter. As you can see, I'm not swiping the product too much because I don't want to disturb its placement, but I want to really push it into the skin and make sure that it looks flawless. I'm now going in with an eyebrow pencil. This one is by the brand Winky Lux. This product was also new to me from a FabFitFun box. I chose this product specifically for this tutorial because as you can see, the tip of the product is a lot thicker than most eyebrow pencils. This feature is great because it really helps to fill in your brows without making too many errors. When you're using an eyebrow pencil that has a very thin tip, it could be a lot easier to make a mistake. Whereas here, you basically just run the product through your brows, follow its natural shape, and you should be able to fill them in while making your eyebrows look really natural. Next, I'm going in with bronzer, and I'm taking this product on a really big and fluffy fan brush. I'm applying the bronzer to all the high points of my face where we applied the liquid bronzer. As I've mentioned in previous videos, it's great to layer your products. This ensures that your makeup is going to last really long, and it helps to intensify the pigment of previous products that you've applied to the face. I'm taking the same bronzer on a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gently running this product through my crease. I'm doing the same thing on my lower lash line, focusing on the outer corner of my eye, using the same brush because I don't want to be too precise with the look. I just want it to look as natural as possible. I'm also going to be taking some of the product on my lower lip, and this is just going to help the lips look a little bit fuller. Lastly, I'm finishing off the skin with a peachy tone blush. This blush does have a bit of a shimmer to it, which is going to add to that glowy look that we're going for. I'm finishing off the eye look by curling my eyelashes and applying many layers of voluminous mascara. You can add strip lashes or even individual lashes if you want to, but I'm trying to keep this look as natural as possible, so here I'm just going to be using mascara. I'm going in with one of my favorite lip pencils by MAC Cosmetics. This one is called Strip Down. It's in a neutral brownish shade, and it's a few shades darker than my lips, but I feel like it really looks natural and it helps to make them look a little bit fuller. Lastly, I'm going in with this lipstick by NARS. This is in the shade Orgasm, and I love this lipstick because it looks so natural on the lips. It's almost like a pinky tone with a little bit of gold flecks in it. It's really similar to their blush shade. It's essentially the same kind of pigment, just in a lipstick. I find this lipstick looks so dimensional on the lips. As you can see, it almost looks like a gloss, but it just looks so natural, and I feel like it's so perfect for this look. So here's the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really love the way this makeup turned out. It is so natural and glowy and just perfect for summer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time, guys. Bye!